Welcome to LeenFX. Valentine's Day is everywhere right now. It's in the storefronts, the songs, and the air we breathe. But love is more than just a date on a calendar. It's an art form. It's a series of small, intentional choices we make every day. Today, we aren't just talking about love, we're going to visualize it. We're going to take those abstract feelings of connection, bravery, and kindness and turn them into something we can see. Let's go to Photoshop. We spend our whole lives chasing a word that has no single definition. Poets have bled for it, wars have been fought over it, and every year on February 14th, we try to capture it in a box of chocolates or a bouquet of roses. But what is love, really? If you look at the science, it's just chemistry, a flood of dopamine and oxytocin. If you look at history, it was often a contract. But if you look at your own life, you know it's something much more quiet and much more profound. It is the decision to see someone in their entirety, the messy parts, the tired parts, the silent parts, and say, I am glad you are here. But between the chemistry of our brains and the reality of our lives, there is a middle ground. It's the space where we choose to stay when things aren't cinematic. We often think of love as a feeling that happens to us, like a sudden storm or a bolt of lightning. But in truth, love is less like a lightning strike and more like a piece of art. It's something we build, layer by layer, detail by detail. It is the steady, quiet work of showing up when it's easy, and more importantly, when it's not. We are taught that love is a grand gesture. We wait for the movie moments, the airport chases, and the rain-soaked confessions. But real love lives in the mundane. It's in the person who remembers how you take your coffee. It's in the friend who texts, "Get home safe," after a night out. It's in the patience we show when we're tired and the grace we give when we fail. Valentine's Day isn't just for the newly in love or the perfectly matched. It's a day to honor the effort of staying connected in a world that is designed to distract us. It is a celebration of the human capacity to care about something other than ourselves. However, there is a certain weight to the mundane that we often underestimate. It is easy to be in love when the music is playing and the lights are bright, but it takes a different kind of strength to hold on to that connection in the silence. We live in a culture that thrives on the new and the exciting, making the act of staying, the act of being consistent, feel almost revolutionary. To look at the same face, the same flaws, and the same routine year after year, and still find beauty in it is where the real work begins. It's the bridge between a simple feeling and a lasting commitment. To love it all is to be brave. To open your heart to another person is to accept the risk of loss. It is an act of defiance against a cynical world. When we say, I love you, what we are really saying is, I trust you with the version of me that the rest of the world doesn't see. Whether that love is for a partner, a parent, a child, or a friend, it requires us to take off our armor. Today, we celebrate that bravery. We celebrate the fact that, despite the heartbreaks and the risks, we keep choosing each other. But this bravery isn't just directed outward. We often talk about the courage it takes to trust another person, yet we overlook the courage it takes to sit with ourselves. We spend so much energy trying to be lovable for the world, editing our personalities, filtering our flaws, and masking our insecurities, that we become strangers to our own souls. We forget that the warmth we offer to others must first be stoked within our own hearts. After all, you cannot build a home for someone else if your own foundation is crumbling. The relationship you have with yourself is the longest one you will ever have. You cannot pour from an empty cup. So, if you are watching this and you are alone or you feel unseen, remember that your worth is not measured by the number of cards you receive. You are worthy of love simply because you exist. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a dear friend today. So, here's my wish for you this Valentine's Day. I hope you find love in the small places. I hope you feel the warmth of a kind word. I hope you tell someone they matter to you, and I hope you believe it when someone says it to you. Love isn't a destination we reach, it's a practice. It's a choice we make every single day. Let's choose it a little more often. Happy Valentine's Day! That's how we turn a simple idea into a visual story. Love, like art, is all about the details and the effort we put into it. If you enjoyed this photo manipulation, hit the like button and subscribe to LeenFX for more creative edits. Thank you for watching. Go create something beautiful today. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.